Alright, so safety first. Definitely get yourself a mask. You know, I'd like to have one of those big fancy ones. Oh damn, freaking already doing this wrong. I'd like to have one of those big fancy ones, but you know, just starting off. Okay, so, but I don't want this fit in my lungs. I definitely don't want it in my eyes, so get yourself a mask. It's only a couple bucks. Get yourself some iPro. It's only a couple bucks. All right, let's get at this. All right, so that was pretty good. You can see here in the ceiling, you know, we got some lines and stuff like that. Probably gonna take a second coat, you know, clean up those lines. I thought I was freaking, you know, going pretty close back and forth, but maybe not. Oh, there's spots where I guess I was better with it. And, you know, I'm not a professional, I don't know. So, but I like it. I like it. It works good. It works pretty good. So we're gonna keep it on, get the rest of it knocked out.
The next day.
All right, guys, day 2 of spraying, and went and watched a couple videos last night, and wow, I was just doing shit, all kinds. I mean, I was just all kinds of wrong. Okay, that's what I was doing. I had my pressure way too low. That's why I kept on seeing on the side these lines when I was spraying, and I thought it was like markers, you know, for I know where my freaking spray ended and everything like that. No, turns out that's telling me that your pressure's too low, and they're called fingers. So, okay, I turned my pressure up, and I went and got myself another tip. That was a 621 for a Greco tip, whatever, a 621 tip. So I choose a little bit wider and everything like that. Well, that didn't fit in the guard that I had. So I went and got this Greco guard and everything like that. It's not that it wouldn't fit in there all the way. It's just the plastic base around it here was a little bit too wide, so whatever. I wanted a little extension and everything like that. Got the Greco guard, stick it on the gun. You know, that way I'm not having to be so close and everything like that. Trying to maintain my 12 inches, and we can just get back at it. All right, so anyways, we're gonna try shooting again today, and hopefully this goes a lot better, you know, with upping my pressure and just a couple things I was watching. I'm so bad at this. Anyways, let's get stuck in. Now we're working on the front door. He's got one of the bedroom doors in here, filling the hole. Go out here and see what Scott's up to. He's in the middle of prepping this door. We tried to paint it, did a light sanding on it, and whoa, that didn't stick at all. So Scott's out here freaking pulling all the paint off of it and just going to town. Hey, man, how much fun is this? It sucks. Bro.
Should have done this before I painted.
Yeah, well.
Next time.
Yep, that's right.
Yeah.
Next time.
We'll have it all right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. She. If not next time, the time after that. Yeah, man. Yeah, whew. We still got some cleanup on the outside here to do, but yeah, I'm digging it. I'm digging it. So I didn't show you guys this earlier. We walked right past it. This is all the goodies, all the new stuff. Fans, the lighting, all the hardware, everything that needs to go in. Can't wait to dive into that, man. You know, that's when you're getting close to being done. I mean, geez, you look at this kitchen, I'm scared. We kind of started painting it a little bit and it looks better. Because let's see here, I don't know if we've got any places on what color it was. It was this nasty yellow, just terrible. Yeah, we pretty much covered all that up. But yeah, you look at this. There was fluorescent lights up here above the ceiling, and bought these LEDs to put in there. So that's going to be way nicer. Here's the other ones right over here. Need to get them up. But yeah, just way brighter. It's going to be a hell of a lot better. Yeah, pretty stoked about that. Yeah, pretty damn good day. Get in there and doing things that I've never done before. It's intimidating. I tell you what, it's intimidating as hell. A lot of things I didn't want to do, and I effed up on a lot of other things. You guys that know how to do this, yeah, go ahead and tell me. Please comment if you see me doing something wrong that I could do better, because I need to know how I can do things better. I'm not a master at anything. I'm not even proficient at any of this, as you can see, but whatever. I'm in there doing it because I'm trying to get the jingle in my pocket. I'm trying to get this side hustle done, and you can do the same thing. You just got to get out there and do it, all right? As always, if you like what we're doing here, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you really enjoy it, go ahead and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. And then you can hit the notification bell, and I'll tell you every single time you pull up YouTube whether I put up a video or not, all right? So, get out there, get stuff done, make that jingle, all right? And have a good day. We'll see you on the next one.